Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you my banana deep conditioner application process. You will also learn about the benefits of using bananas in your deep conditioner. Plus, you will also see the final results of using a banana deep conditioner. Creating a banana deep conditioner for your hair will improve manageability and moisturize the hair. Also, bananas are rich in potassium and vitamins, which helps soften the hair and protects the hair elasticity, preventing dry hair and breakage. Sometimes I will whip up my homemade banana deep conditioner and use it as a spa treatment, perfect for those days I just want to sit back, relax, and unwind. As you can see in this video, I worked the banana deep conditioner from the root of my hair, focusing on the root area and working the conditioner all the way down to the ends of my hair. The next step is to cover my hair with a plastic cap and sit under a hair dryer for 15 to 30 minutes. The heat from the hair dryer will open my hair cuticles, allowing the conditioner to penetrate my hair strands, leaving my hair feeling soft and conditioned. This is my hair after sitting under the hair dryer for 15 minutes. As you can see, my hair looks very soft and my curls are nicely clumped. Finally, this is my hair after it's been rinsed and styled. To learn how to create my banana deep conditioner recipe, click the video icon to watch the video or the suggested link above to go to my website. Like chocolate? Try my Lamocha conditioning hair mask, available at my website, tukabeauty.com. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. If you enjoy this video, click the like button and the notification bell. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.